Ladies and gentlemen, so sorry to interrupt. I'm through Barrymore. Can I have your attention? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I am not homeless, but oh my god, I just had a baby. And it is so amazing. And now I'm selling candy, and that is so amazing. It's like someone took my dreams and covered them with hope and sugar. All proceeds go to the Save Miley Foundation. She needs our help. I should know. I used to be just like her. Dancing on David Letterman's table, exposing my breasts. Getting too much attention. So much attention. So much attention. Anyway, it's all sparkles and glitter now. And I'll be on the Ellen Show next week, and that's stupendous. You guys are so amazing. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.